Our studio presents.
Emily Ratajkowski posted a sizzling snap to her Instagram account on Monday to show off her growing baby bump and impressively sculpted body. The supermodel opted for a tan-colored string bikini so she could show off her jaw-dropping curves. Ratajkowski later made a post to her Instagram story to give her fans another look at her sizzling body while keeping her baby bump in view. The simple caption for the video read, "Baby in my belly." The model announced her pregnancy in November, and her husband Sebastian Bear-McLeod is reportedly excited to become a father. The supermodel's husband has previously featured in promotional photos for her personal swimwear and clothing brand Inamorata. The model also gave her fans a look at her baby bump during the photo shoot, which was done to promote her line's unisex clothing options.